Providence Sacred Heart Medical Center is seeing more pediatric cases in this latest COVID surge, and they blame it on several reasons. Vanessa Perez is here with what you need to know.
The hospital says they've seen an increase in the last week. They anticipate they'll see more cases of kids with COVID.
Definitely seen an uptick in the trends of pediatric patients. I think as many as 10 is probably our highest number of patients that we've seen at one point. I don't know what my daily census is today, but this is really the first time in the COVID surge this last few weeks where we've seen an increase in children being admitted.
He says many are too young to be vaccinated. Those who are eligible for the vaccine aren't vaccinated. The Delta variant is 8 to 11 times more infectious than the original variant.
Virus spreads really, really quickly, and so we'll continue to see more cases of kids. Thankfully, we don't tend to see children become nearly as ill as adults at that frequency we're seeing in adults, but when kids have conditions, congenital conditions, when they're born with problems with their hearts or their lungs, if they're dealing with cancers, pediatric cancers, and COVID is a horrible mix, they can get very, very ill, and their care is very similar to what we see in adults.
Dr. Getz says most children aren't getting sick to require a ventilator, but it does happen, and it's tragic when a child requires that amount of care. Live in studio, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.